Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound to Adobe Animate. So let's get straight into it. First thing, what we are going to do is open the import menu. So we will go here to the file and then scroll down to the import and you will see import to library. So click on that. Now what we are going to do is choose our audio file. So let's head over here to the music. So I will select here all the files and let's say I will select this one and just like so. All right, so when you import this MP3 file into Adobe Animate, the second thing is here in your timeline here, click on this plus icon for new layer. Like so, double click on it to rename it. So I will put it in MP3, or you can audio. Then what we can do here, you will now click on exact frame where you want your sound to start playing. Right click on it and select insert blank keyframe. So insert blank keyframe, just like that. And keep that new keyframe selected. Open your library panel. Here in the right side, you will select this file. And yeah, just drag it directly onto the main stage area, a colored wavy line. So as you can see right here, we have it over here and we just drag it over here. Now with your audio layer keyframe selected, you can open Properties panel on the right side of your screen and you will look at the sound section to change the sync settings. So properties here at the top right corner, and then here you can select sync section and uh, and you can synchronize this sound with the video. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the